Hi everyone, this is Cyrus for iPhoneness.com. Today I'm going over some of the best GPS apps that you can use on your iPhone and iPad to find your way around. The reason we decided to do this video was we just recently updated our top GPS apps on iPhoneness.com, and I thought maybe we just do a review of, or just show some of these apps and how they work, so it goes well with the piece that we've already have. Reading an article is nice, but when you can see some of these apps in action and just the interface that they have, maybe it's better. It goes better with the article. So we have 10 apps in that list, and I decided to cut them down to 6. My favorite app that I use personally is the Magellan app. And the reason is because the first GPS app that I got was the GPS device that I got was a Magellan device. It's one of those PN personal navigation devices, and you can get for $200, $300 a few years back. And the interface is very intuitive for me because I basically started with my GPS journey using Magellan. So what it offers you multiple voice options. It offers you a familiar user interface. If you've tried apps by these guys in the past and or devices, you know how to use this application. It has new maps, multiple voice options, Yelp information, local search, lifetime map updates, lifetime traffic updates. You can get different sounds they're actually pretty cheap. You get safety alerts for $24.99. That's an in-app add-on. You can find your car, get an address book. User interface. If you've had a Magellan GPS device, you're familiar with this, and pretty simple stuff. So it's a premium application, so you want to be aware of that. A lot of people don't want to pay $34 or more, $49 for an app like this, which is why I like the MotionX GPS Drive. Very awesome user interface. It lets you search, get directions, get guidance, navigation, rerouting, local search. You can change all the different options, and what's neat is you don't have to pay a whole lot to get started with this. This is absolutely one of the best apps that I've tried for the money, 99 cents plus add-ons that you can buy. So you want to check that out. Another one that comes close, and I would say it's not as good as the other two, but has its own merit, is the GPS Navigation 2 application, and this is for US and Canada. I like the user interface in this. You can enter your data, your address. You can set your home location, search on the map. You have multiple You can have your favorite. You can get your category and search for what you're looking for. 2 miles, 4 miles, 8 miles. Just find things that are important to you for parking spots. Let's say you want to go home. You see the 3D view. You have the option to do the day mode. So pretty simple. For 99 cents plus add-ons, again, you can get offline maps for USA, North America, the whole package. Sound by Stephen Fry. So it's pretty awesome in that regard. I like it. And it's cheap. Waze is a very special application. It's a social navigation app. And we've covered that also on iPhoneness.com. It's a new class of GPS applications. So what it does is it provides you with live routing based on community generated and real-time traffic and road info. I think the reason it's not working here is because I'm using an iPad 2 that doesn't have Sailor. But what it does is it provides you with live data from the community, and you can get a better understanding of road alerts, let's say accidents that are coming your way, police traps, and you also get voice guided navigation, which is the basic that you need in from an app like this. You can find cheap gas stations, see what your friends are doing, Facebook friends, notify people from with your ETA, get live maps, you get earn points as you contribute. So there is some sort of a, how should I say it, is gamification as far as they encourage you to contribute to the community, so you move up. Google Maps doesn't need an introduction. Pretty awesome application on Android. On iOS, it does have some limitations, but it does offer voice guided navigation. You can add your own location. Get traffic, public transit, all that. If you've tried Google Maps in the past, and Google keeps improving it, so you can find addresses, you can get places to eat, you get turn by turn directions, you can find your way by train and bus, and as I showed you there. Clearly see your destination. Very clean user interface. It does have some limitation on iOS, but I like the fact that the option is available after Apple removed it. They allowed it back in as far as a standalone application, which is nice. So Google Maps is something to have as a backup. I personally, again, use the first two apps that I mentioned, but Google Maps is nice to have, especially if you prefer not spending a whole lot of money to get a GPS app. And so I've covered now 5 GPS applications, but your journey, your drive is not going to be complete unless you have traffic information. I don't know about you, but I live in a major city. If you can call Philadelphia major, it's not New York or Los Angeles, but it does have traffic. So what this application offers is live traffic information, so you can avoid accidents, you can avoid construction, road hazards, things like that. You get the fastest route to your home, get the safety alerts, constructions, showing that, for instance, I can report constructions, I can choose the time that I'm leaving to get better information based on that. And once you use it in your car, it follows you. So it's a pretty awesome application. And I don't want to register right now to show you guys. We're going to do a review, complete review of this app in the future. But why it's important, especially if you upgrade to the premium version, it's going to cost you $24.99, but it does offer you comprehensive set of traffic cameras. Let's say if you want to avoid traffic cameras, you want to get gas and fuel prices that are being reported. That's important. You can share your arrival times with others. That's useful for business users. You can get recommended departure times, so you get the best time to leave your home to get to the place that you want to get to. And syncing is done over the cloud, so it's nice that not everywhere is covered, but they have major cities: New York, Los Angeles, Seattle, Houston, Atlanta, Boston, Philadelphia, Chicago, Washington, D.C. So Barcelona, Madrid, Milan, Rome. So a lot of, even in Brazil, so a lot of awesome places around the world are covered. So you get traffic information and you avoid traffic, which is what you deal with in major cities. So what application I would recommend? I would stick with Magellan for me because I paid for it and I'm used to the user interface. I am very impressed with GPS, the MotionX GPS Drive, and the navigation 2, the GPS navigation 2. Both of them 99 cents with the option to add more features for more. And you can also get Google Maps, or you can buy TomTom or Garmin or Navigon if those are what you're used to and they have a familiar interface if you're used to those. So the choice is up to you. If you want to pay $30-$40, TomTom, Garmin they're pretty close. Some of the updates are not great, some of the updates are great. I personally have had the best results with Magellan and I'm sticking with them, but I also have these other apps, so if they fail me, I can always move to the other apps. So that's about it. GPS apps for iPhone. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions, please add it in the comment section. I also encourage you to read our articles on iPhoneness.com. We've covered a ton of GPS applications and will continue to do so. Thanks very much for watching, guys.